One of the most important parts of Japanese cuisine is rice. In traditional Japanese cooking, the rice is the center of the meal and everything else is considered a side dish. There are different ways of cooking Japanese rice. In a donabe or traditional clay pot, in a regular pot on the stove, but I'm going to talk about the current most common way of cooking Japanese rice in an electric rice cooker. Growing up, the rice cookers basically had an on and off switch. But now they are so high-tech and capable of so many things, making meals easier and making high-quality rice more accessible. So I'm going to show you my rice cooker, the Tiger JPW induction heating rice cooker. I'm also going to cook something with this, so stay with me. I absolutely love this thing. Tiger is a Japanese leading rice cooker brand, and this makes consistent, delicious rice. And my favorite part is that it keeps rice really well, just like the old times. And that's something I've been struggling with using newer rice cookers. And by the way, this rice cooker is now sold on Amazon, so I'm gonna link that below in the description. It has 14 preset cook settings, so you can easily and properly make all kinds of rice as well as other dishes like porridge or soup. My favorite is the premium cooking feature, which soaks the rice for a longer time and cooks the rice to bring out the maximum deliciousness. There's also an eco mode that actually uses a lower power consumption, which is really cool if you are cautious about that. So I'm gonna make one of my favorite takikomi gohan or mixed rice dishes, corn butter rice. It's all done in the rice cooker and it's so easy and so delicious. You can find the full recipe on my blog, which I will also have linked down in the description. Take 2 cups of washed rice and put it in the rice cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, water up to the 2-cup line for regular plain rice. Add 2 cups of corn kernels. Then I'm putting it on delicious mode and leaving it to do the work. Once the rice is done, open it up. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. If you're using unsalted butter, just add a little bit of salt and then add some pepper to taste. And it's ready to enjoy. So easy and so ridiculously good. Again, I love this rice cooker and everything is going to be linked down below and I can't wait to use it for many more meals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Mata ne!